I got the AKAI EWI USB right here with me. Let's do some unboxing and review. Now let's actually go ahead and open this box up and see what it contains. So in there, I'm just gonna slide it open. Now I'm just gonna remove all the papers, and there I got my EWI USB, AKAI EWI USB, right there for me. So here goes the box. Really nice, isn't it? So let's actually open up the box and see the contents of it. Okay, now I got the mouthpiece cover. And then of course I got the EWI USB device itself. Then I got the USB cable, pretty long cable there. That's for connection to the EWI USB to my computer. And then I got the neck strap. Please be careful of the neck strap. It's not that solid. Then I got the user manual and the CD that comes with it. And that's pretty much all the content of the box. Nothing more. So let me put that box away and assemble my EWI USB and hook it up to my computer and see how it performs. Okay, now with me, I got the AKAI EWI USB plugged into my MacBook, and it has the 10 keys on it. And at the back here, you have the ground plate, and you have the reset button, the USB plug-in area over here, and you have the neck strap, even though I'm not sure I'll be using that. Then you have the octave rollers. I already have the AKAI USB software installed on my Mac, and I have it plugged in. As you can see, it has the green indicator here. So what I'll go ahead and do now is start trying to play some notes. So and one thing to note is it's a touch one, so you should try not to touch here if you don't want to press the notes. So let's go into that. So, even though I'll be doing a little bit of more rehearsals on this thing, I'll majorly be using it for my tutorials and some of my in-house music because I don't want to disturb folks in the house. because I still got my professional saxophone right here that I'll be using for my live performances. But the AKAI EWI USB is what I'll be using mainly in the house. And then when I go for shows and performances, I'll be using my professional soprano saxophone. But this comes in handy for me on the move. I don't want to disturb people in the house. And yeah, that's the AKAI EWI USB for me right there. Let me know what you think about the AKAI EWI USB. I will see you again in another video.